Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. Guys, in today's video I have a gift idea from Dior and Chanel. This is their gift idea on their website because the holiday season is coming. Oh my god, actually I got a message from my SN Chanel that she will have this one in store, and when I came in there, it's everybody's buying. I thought she was reserving, but I'm glad uh, they bring another one in store, and then she's sending it to me. And so yeah, so this is from Dior. I want to do like same video for this too, and that's why I said I'll wait for the Dior when they come. And finally it's arrived yesterday, and I can manage to unbox this. And Dior have a lot of like very affordable beauty products that you can give for your friends or family for like Christmas stockings. And yeah, for the beauty lover out there who loves makeup, this is a better way to give you to your family and friends. So let's start with Dior. So the packaging this year is this one right here, and the Chanel was, and she's sending me as well with this. It's actually almost like a similar gold, always like a, this is the one I always got this every year of Chanel. They only have one color at the moment. So let's start with this Dior first. And since they opened this one, actually I ordered 2 items from them and I really love. Let's move on for this freebies. I'm really glad that they always give a lot of freebies in Dior. Actually I got 2. I always get this one. It's nice to collect, to be honest with you. And this is their new look of a perfume. And also the other one is this one over here, Dior Rivera. I love this. It smells, every time I had this, I had got so many compliments like, what perfume do you use? I mean, it's really nice because I have this travel size. They always give it to me, bring that for work, so I always spray that. So yeah, this is the one, this 2, and also the Sauvage and the J'adore, the new J'adore, I think. I always get something from J'adore for men because it smells so good. So the first one I got from them is this Forever Skin Perfect Foundation Stick. And I get a 3.5 neutral. And since we move in here in the States, my skins get like tan. And I was in UK I was 3, and then I use my other one. It's kind of a little bit light, and sometimes I just put a little bit to cover up my dark spot on my face. And look what it looks like. The packaging, it's beautiful. And this one, it says you can use as concealer as well. Actually, the one I had on my face right now is a Tom Ford stick. Man, that Tom Ford, I finished the one foundation stick. I love it. And every time I wear this foundation stick, it's like what foundation I'm using. Guys, believe me, the Tom Ford foundation stick, it's really nice. It's very smooth, easy, and it's matched my skin so good. And as you can see, guys, even though I had that one in UK, the shade, it's fit much on me. I mean, it's not too white, it's not too dark, it's just like my skin tone. Hopefully that I can find that shade that I have in the UK. Then here I know they keep changing the shade. Hopefully it's not when I run after that, because I've been using that every day for my work. So yeah, that's what it is. This one over here, this is foundation with you can use as concealer as well. Hopefully I will do a match. I will do a review and how it looks on me. for this one. For now, I just want to show you guys what is this. Is the Christmas ideas to give to your family and friends. This one, the new lipstick for this year for Christmas holiday season, Dior something radiance. And what love sold me out of this one is the packaging. It's gold, and the top as well, the same thing in the foundation. I don't know if you can see, guys, it's white and black. And actually I am liking the matte one, the satin one, because it's too shimmery. Sometimes I don't like too shimmery, but this one, it's matte. I saw this one. Look at the details of this lipstick. Look at that. It's so cute, isn't it? I saw this one on their video. That lady who put their lipstick of this one, man, it's so nice. It looks so buttery and looks something on her lips. So that's why I'm get this one. I also something I like in oh, by the way, it's a magnetic closure, and this is refillable as well. You can, when it's finished, this one, you can put another lipstick because this is refillable, which is nice of the year that they're doing that, because I love the packaging itself. This year they don't have much selections. Most of the items that they have this year is I do have most of the stuff. That's why I said I don't like those 3U lip gloss because it's so sticky. What is the other one? The other one is hand cream and a lip balm. I have so many lip balm. I don't use that much. I use more of the Dior lip glow tint, and it's very moisturized. It's so nice, guys. Even though just like the other one, like a plain like a light pinkish, so good. I will recommend that to your one. And there's another one as well. It's something, but I forgot. But this one, I got this one over here because this is the only item that I like. And look at this one, guys. Today's this year's pouch for them is like a more like a suede. Have you seen this? It's so cute. Actually, when I saw this one in person in store, I was like, oh my god. I was thinking I want to get another one. And their zipper, it's so cute. It's really nice that they make it like this. And yeah, I hope that they have another color for this, because I was thinking getting two. I always get two because last year I get the, I think there's the red and something white as well, but it's not this type of material. This type over here, it's more like a suede to me, and it's different. If I have a red with this type, and then I will get it. And I wish my SA sending me she put into a ribbon, but she did not. And yeah, let's see what's in this one over here. They only have 2 items in this one. Oh my god, it's already open. So the first one over here is the Chanel Mascara Noir. I love this mascara, by the way. So this is what it is over here. Oh, I don't know that. Okay, that's nice. And the next one is this over here. The Rouge Aloe rechargeable, refillable. The color is 854 Rouge. I don't know how to pronounce. I have this type of a lipstick as well, but I don't know where is it. Man, I get so many lipstick that I don't know where it is. I cannot find when I'm looking something. And look at this, guys. It's so cute. This is like a red color, and it's really nice though. It's perfect. Yeah, it's all. Thank you, guys. That's all I got today. This 4 item from gift idea. I can stock this one of this item to my family and friends, or keep it for myself. I probably keep to myself because I like it, the packaging itself. And so the Dior and the lipstick, this is all mine. But guys, I'm gonna get something for my family and friends, by the way. Anyway, guys, that's it for my video today. Hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And share, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.